A police jeep is chasing with a velocity of 45 km per hour. A thief in another jeep moving with a velocity of 153 km per hour. Police fires a bullet with a muzzle velocity of 180 meter per second. The velocity with which that strikes the car of the thief will be equal to. Now, first of all, before we proceed with this sum, we have to first convert the velocities in meter per second. So let me take the velocity of the police jeep Vp is equal to 45 km per hour. We have to convert it in meter per second. So basically it will be equal to 5 by 18. So 45 into 5 by 18. So it will be equal to, I will keep it in the ratio, okay. So 9 5s are, 9 2s are, we will keep it in ratio. So it will be equal to 25 by 2. Let it be equal to 25 by 2 meter per second. The velocity of the jeep of the velocity of the jeep of the over here is chasing a thief. So I will take it as Vt. This is the velocity of the jeep of the thief of is equal to 153 into 5 by 18. So it is equal to 153 plus 5 by 18. So it is equal to 9 2s are, it will be equal to 9 17s are. So 17 into 5 will be equal to 85, it will be equal to 85 by 2. Let it be as it is, okay. Both are in meter per second, okay. Now let us see what is happening in this sum. If I consider a police jeep which is moving with a velocity of Vp, okay, and there is a thief jeep moving with a velocity of Vt, okay. Both are moving, let us assume, in the same direction, okay. It is not specified, but let us assume in the same direction. Both are moving in the same direction over here, okay. Now the muzzle velocity means there is a policeman sitting inside it who fires a gun. So the velocity of the bullet with respect to the gun, okay, is, let me say that velocity of the bullet with respect to the gun is given as 180 meter per second, okay. So the velocity of, now this is velocity of the bullet with respect to the gun is equal to 180 meter per second, okay. But now the jeep itself is moving, so the velocity of the bullet with respect to ground will be equal to velocity of the bullet with respect to the gun plus velocity of the jeep, okay, plus velocity of the jeep. The velocity of the police jeep is Vp. So basically its velocity is equal to 180 plus its velocity with respect to ground is 180 plus over here it will be equal to velocity of the police jeep is equal to 25 divided by 2, okay. Now this is the additional velocity it has achieved because the jeep itself is moving, okay. Now this is the velocity of the bullet with respect to ground. This bullet will strike this vehicle with a velocity of 180 plus 25 by 2, okay. Now we have to find out the velocity with which it will strike the car of the thief, okay. Now this velocity is with respect to ground. So the velocity with respect to the jeep, velocity of the bullet with respect to the jeep of the thief, or I can say that thief jeep, will be equal to velocity with respect to ground minus velocity of the jeep, that is the thief jeep, which is equal to minus Vt, okay. Why I have subtracted this? Because over here let us assume that I have taken a bullet and there is a car and both of them are moving with a velocity of, let us take, 10 meter per second, okay. So with respect to each other both are not moving, okay. So in order to find out the relative velocity, we have to subtract this velocity of the bullet minus velocity of the vehicle, whatever was the vehicle over here, okay. I will use the same logic over here. So with velocity of the bullet with respect to ground is equal to 180 plus 25 by 2, and velocity of the jeep over here is we have calculated it as 85 divided by 2. So 25 minus 85, it will be equal to 25 minus 85 will be equal to 60. So 60 by 2 will be equal to 30. So 180 minus 30 will be equal to 150 meter per second. So the velocity with which the bullet hits the thief jeep will be equal to 150 meter per second, which is equal to option number A.